Hidaya Engineering College for Women welcomes you to the journey to the heart of nature. A college is not just a place of learning, it is a sanctuary of nature. One of the most striking features of a campus is the lush greenery that surrounds us. As we step into a college, we are greeted by the soothing sight of tall trees, colorful flowers, and well maintained gardens. The trees are not only a part of our landscape but also a part of our daily lives. Students often gather under their shade for discussions, activities, or simply to relax. They make our campus vibrant, lively, and welcoming. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Nature, in all its beauty and diversity, is one of God's most precious gifts to humanity. From the mighty mountains to the gentle streams, every part of creation speaks of glory and love. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, all are blessings from our Creator, reminding us of His constant presence and care. Nature is not just a resource, it is a sacred gift entrusted to us, calling us to be stewards of its beauty and abundance. As we stand amidst this divine creation, let us open our hearts to its splendor and reflect on our responsibility to honor and protect this gift. Not just for ourselves, but for the generations to come. We take inspiration from the life of Saint Francis of Assisi, the humble servant of God who saw his presence in all of creation. Saint Francis praised the Lord not only with his words but also with his life. His joy and his profound love for nature and all living beings. As Saint Francis sang the canticle of the Creator, he expressed his gratitude to God for the sun, the moon, the stars, and every blessings of creation. His life was a dance of love, joy, and devotion to God, reminding us that worship comes from the heart and can take many beautiful forms. Let us echo the same spirit of Saint Francis, praising God with every step, every movement, and every breath.